Da, 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 da. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale and I do videos on makeup, on motherhood and fashion. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe. Today's video is like surreal, honestly, because I've been wanting to buy this item for a very long time, for years actually, and I finally decided to just take a leap of faith and do it. So today I'll be doing an unboxing of my first Louis Vuitton purchase. So without further ado, let's unbox. Here is the actual bag. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay, so this is the well-known Louis Vuitton bag, you know, standard orange bag with the blue Louis Vuitton written across, and inside of it, this envelope, and it just says Louis Vuitton, and it's a really sturdy material. Let's see what's inside of here. So this just says LV on it, and it is, I guess this is my receipt. Yes, this is my receipt on here, and it says Louis Vuitton, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials and packaged with the utmost care, following strict sanitation guidelines. Okay, please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfumes, hand sanitizers, or disinfectants, as they may damage the leather and canvas products. I didn't know that. That's good to know. Find our complete care instructions on us.louisvuitton.com. So yeah, that was some good information. So no hand sanitizer, perfume, cosmetics. So okay, I'm so nervous. Do I look nervous? I don't know. I'm nervous because this is like the biggest purchase that I have made in terms of bags. So this is just their exchange and return policy, which I think I already read online. And let me see what else is in here. A little note to myself, because you could write a message, just so, since it was a gift from me to me, and I really wanted this purchase to be mine, not gifted to me, because like I feel like the stuff that I have that's designer was gifted by my boyfriend. So this is actually from me to me, and it just says so I don't know if you could see that, but it just says love you, Nadale. So, you know, just a little reminder to myself, like, I love me. Okay guys, so this is the box that it comes in, and you know, it's the standard bowl with the Louis Vuitton tag on here, and I'm just going to open this up and see what's inside. So here we go. And if you don't know, they usually have like a string. You pull this string right here and it opens up like a drawer. So so we have the Louis Vuitton dust bag, and let's reveal it. I'm over here like taking deep breaths and stuff, like, yes girl, this is your official first Louis Vuitton, and this is the most exciting part for me. The pink, like, oh my god, This is just so cute. Like, and I chose the canvas print just because I feel like this goes with everything. Like, honestly, I feel like the print goes with every single thing. So yeah, so this is the Sarah wallet, and it has the Louis Vuitton button right here. It just says Louis Vuitton, and the standard Louis Vuitton canvas, so all around says Louis Vuitton. As you can see on the sides, you can see the pink color right here, and then when you open it up, it says Louis Vuitton Paris. I don't know if you could see that. And then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 compartments for your cards. So in here has 6 compartments, and then you have 6 other compartments for your cards at the back here. And in the middle you have the zipper where you can put cash or anything of that nature. And on the zipper you have the standard LV right there on the zipper. So that is that. Oh, and outside you have some more slots that you could put cards in. So there's, I think, 6 more, and there's also a pouch at the back here. So I'm the type of girl that doesn't do much when she goes out. Like, I love small bags, so I feel like I'm going to be wearing this as a wallet on a chain. So I will be purchasing a chain from somewhere like Amazon or something cheap, like the gold chains, and then attaching it to the bag and wearing it like that. So what I really wanted to see is if my phone could fit, because I have the Samsung Galaxy S21. So let's put this, hopefully we do. I really hope it does fit, but if it doesn't, I don't mind either. Okay, let's see. So this is my phone, and I'm trying to, oh my god, perfect. Do you see that? That's perfect. It's a perfect fit, and it's a done deal for me. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, so that's all I need. When I go out, I just need my wallet with my cards and my phone, and that's it. So this is perfect for me, and I love this wallet so much. Like, I know I'm going to take very good care of it, because I do. When it comes to my stuff, they last 4 years. So yeah, you guys, I know this was like a super short video, but I just want you guys to see like my genuine reaction. So hopefully this wasn't too boring for people. And some of you might want to know the details. I'll go ahead and link it in the description so you will see the price. And this was available on their website. That's where I got it from. And I decided to just get it right away, because if you see something available on the Louis Vuitton site, it's guaranteed to be sold out like super quick. So let me give you guys the background story, because this was hella funny. So I saw it and I was like, what? I can't believe this is available, because I always wanted the mini puchase, and at the time when I wanted the mini puchase, it was like $300 and something, and it was about maybe 2 or 3 years ago. And I remember telling my boyfriend, like, I really want this bag, is it worth it, because it's really small. And then, you know, my boyfriend was like, nah, if it doesn't make you money, it doesn't make sense to spend all that money on like an item. But so I didn't buy it then, and that was like maybe in 2018. And then I was like, okay, you know what, no, actually my sister was in Paris at the time, and I was like, can you go to the store and see if it's available? She went and it wasn't. So I forgot about it. And then, you know, the year after that I was pregnant, then it was COVID, so I kind of just forgot about it. And I was like, you know what, this year I'm buying the stuff that I want. You know, I always buy gifts for other people, or like, you know, worry about doing other stuff. And I was like, no, I'm in a position where I can buy it. I'm going to buy it, period. So I had it in my cart, but I'm a punk, okay? I'll say I'll buy it, I'll pump my chest like, yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to buy it, and then it goes in my cart, and it was probably there for like a day. So when I went to work, I asked my coworkers, do y'all think I should like spend money on this? And they were like, yeah, you should, because of XYZ reasons. And I felt like, you know what, they were hyping me up, okay? So I was like, I wanted it for years, I'm about to do it. Now Louis Vuitton just had a price increase, so I'm like, they keep increasing their prices so often that I need to get this now before it's like way too expensive. So it was between this, I always like the pochette Felicie or Felicie pochette, but it's like way too expensive now. I also like the pochette accessoire, but that's also always sold out, and I think the price jumped to something crazy like $1,000 or something now. And I was like, no, because at the time when I initially wanted to buy it was 5 something, so I wasn't doing that. So I saw this, it was available, it was on the side, it was pink inside. I was like, okay, yes, add to the cart. So after I added to the cart, it stayed there for like a year, like a day, sorry. And then the next day I was like, it was still on my mind, so I decided to try and purchase it. And when I did, something was incorrect in my information, and I didn't realize, because it was being generated based on what information I had saved on my phone. So I was just pressing autofill, and for some reason it wasn't going through. So I was like, Nadil, this is God, don't buy it, okay? And I was like, no, let me keep trying. So I probably tried like 10 times, and each time the payment didn't go through. So I decided to not use Google Chrome and to use Explorer instead. So I went on Explorer and I did the same thing, added to my cart, but this time I manually put in my information, and I thought it wasn't going to go through, and then boom, it went through. It was successful, and I was like, because I was like, I wanted it, but I didn't know if I wanted it like right then in that moment, you know, because I went from thinking it was sold out to not being able to purchase it, then to buying it. So it was just, my emotions were all over the place. But I'm super happy with my purchase, and like I said, I will be wearing it as a wallet on chain. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite designer brand is, your favorite luxury brand. I personally love Coach, Louis Vuitton, and Michael Kors is like my favorite. So yeah, catch me in another video. I just love making videos for you guys. If this is something that you want to see more of, just let me know, and I will try my best to do. Probably not Louis Vuitton, let's think more Coach and Michael Kors for now, but Louis Vuitton might be a yearly thing, or every 2 years probably. But I'll definitely be buying more small leather goods from them, especially because I love small items. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.